After 10 years of continuous scientific research and a year of precipitation, the Oppo Find X6 series has brought the experience of flagship performance, communication and privacy protection to a new high in the industry, refreshing the industry's upper limit. The Find X6 series can be said to be the strongest imaging flagship in 2023, with the three main cameras of super light and shadow. The era of full main camera is opened, and a journey with the theme of light and shadow kicks off. Oppo Find X6 Pro brings three new color schemes, this time Desert Silver Moon, Cloud Black and Beet Green. All the delicate material touches and colors form a very quiet image, and the most authentic colors restore several representative landscapes in nature. On the outer ring of the mirror, Oppo designed a light and shadow scale for Find X6 Pro. The light changes are like the flow of time, as if recording the pursuit of Oppo's imagery in the past 10 years. The dumb brushed metal in the lower half of the phone lens module, combined with the inherited buccal point design of the SLR lens, not only pays tribute to the camera legend, but also makes the Oppo Find X6 Pro's low-key and restrained appearance reflect its high-profile and public image capabilities. This time, the dynamic ultralight screen of Oppo Find X6 Pro is an auxiliary screen. The peak brightness of up to 2500 nit, billion color display, intelligent dynamic refresh rate, etc. allow us to observe the dynamic brightness of the screen through the real-time preview frame when shooting. Has been restored to the most realistic level. For a long time, clear details, natural colors, and natural light and shadow have been regarded as the three criteria for moving image effects, but there are few models that can meet the three requirements at the same time. To this end, Oppo Find X6 Pro began to deeply cultivate the most basic concept of image's light and shadow texture. First, let's take a look at this wide-angle lens with a large bottom. In order to further realize and highlight the natural light and shadow, Oppo equipped the wide-angle lens with a 1-inch wide-angle bottom and a Hasselblad imaging system. Combined with Oppo's exclusive imaging algorithm, Oppo Find X6, the imaging effective Pro can match or even surpass many professional cameras. From these samples, it can be seen that even in a bad environment, the 1-inch outsole wide-angle lens of Oppo Find X6 Pro can still perform excellently. The architectural details, sense of light, sense of reality and sense of space are absolutely perfect. It is revealed in a concealed manner, as if people are in the scene. Using the ultra-wide angle to shoot characters, the characters appear particularly tense. The full pixel omnidirectional focusing ability makes the whole picture very clear, and the details are outstanding, as if it has a movie level. The charm and expressive power, as if the characters will emerge from the photos, giving us a sense of being in the mirror and infinite reverie and imagination. A super light sensing periscope telephoto that transcends light and darkness and pursues the ultimate light and shadow. Light and shadow is the most basic art of photography, but because many manufacturers' models are shackled by crude algorithms, the three-dimensional world outlined by light collapses. Telephoto has always been the pain point of flagship phones. The picture quality is blurry, with a lot of noise, and the shooting is not far away, and the shooting is not good. The Oppo Find X6 Pro, which took the ultralight periscope telephoto as the breakthrough point, broke out of the shackles and achieved a low-light telephoto lens, which not only surprised me, but also fascinated photographers who pursue light and shadow. In the dark environment of restaurants, museums or small bars, this dark light telephoto lens is the place to show its talents. In addition to the clear sense of transparency, the object also has a special three-dimensional light and shadow. The bright part is naturally bright, and the dark part more pure. Through the natural color engine of Oppo Find X6 Pro, the phone shows the correct tone relationship, making the object look more three-dimensional like an oil painting, and the atmosphere of the scene is rendered in the light and shadow texture, expressing the hidden emotions in the object. As the strongest flagship, of course, not only is the camera out of the circle, but it is also properly reliable in terms of performance. Oppo Find X6 Pro not only has the performance iron triangle of the current version, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, LPDDR5X RAM, UFS 4.0, but also has the self-developed Color OS supercomputing platform. The performance can be durable and stable released. The running score on Antutu exceeded 1.35 million. The battery life of Oppo Find X6 Pro is also the best among current flagship phones. Find X6 Pro has the highest 100-watt super flash charging and 50-watt wireless super flash charging in terms of battery life, and also combines its own long life technology and large capacity features. so it can not only solve the battery life anxiety of a single charge, but also intelligently identify the charging scene. Even if it is used for a long time, it will look like new. In addition, Oppo Find X6 Pro also has a unique technology, which is called privacy protection technology. While the phone does not affect the loudness of the earpiece, it can greatly reduce the sound overflow of the earpiece and enhance the privacy of the call. Whether you are in an office, an online car-hailing car, or even in a closed room, it can reduce earpiece leakage and protect our call privacy. Oppo Find X6 Pro combines light and shadow into computational photography to redefine the story of light, while ensuring that its performance and system are the flagship in the industry. Let us take a photo at will to achieve the high image quality and high quality of camera photography. The breakthrough in telephoto allows us to immerse ourselves in the sense of story expressed from a new perspective. It is precisely because of this that such a video flagship that changes our daily shooting habits makes consumers full of hope for the current sluggish phone market. The models headed by Oppo Find X6 Pro have also become the most cost-effective in the market. Technology products. I believe that the launch of Oppo Find X6 Pro will cause another bloodbath in the digital market. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.